What if I told you the smartest chatbot ever just went live, and it's now smarter than a PhD? Yep, that just happened. OpenAI has unleashed GPT-5. Hey everyone, welcome back to Future Gen News. Today we're diving into GPT-5, OpenAI's latest AI milestone. You'll learn what makes it stand out, how it improves over GPT-4, and why it matters for all of us. Don't forget to hit subscribe and ring that news to stay ahead in AI news. As of August 7, 2025, OpenAI officially launched GPT-5, making waves across the tech world. It's now available to all, free users, Plus, Pro, Enterprise, and EDU tiers, with usage limits for free tiers and unlimited access for Pro subscribers. GPT-5 is described as PhD-level expert in anything. It offers huge advances in reasoning, coding, math, health, and writing, while drastically reducing hallucinations. Notably, it supports ultra-long context windows, up to 256,000 tokens, and delivers faster, more reliable responses. The model includes lighter mini and nano variants, and a Pro version with extended reasoning. Since GPT-4 in 2023, OpenAI has steadily upgraded models. GPT 4.1, 4.5, and now GPT-5 replaces them all with a unified, smarter architecture. Today, GPT-5 powers 700 million weekly ChatGPT users globally. Businesses, from Amgen to Morgan Stanley, are already using GPT-5 to streamline workflows, boost productivity, and tackle complex reasoning tasks. Microsoft has integrated GPT-5 across its Copilot ecosystem, enhancing coding, productivity, and safety. Altman characterizes GPT-5 as a stepping stone toward AGI, as close as it's ever been to general intelligence. So to recap, GPT-5 is OpenAI's most advanced AI yet, faster, smarter, safer, and more accessible than ever before. What do you think? Will GPT-5 redefine how we interact with AI? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit like, share with your friends, and subscribe to stay plugged into the future of AI. Thanks for watching. See you next time.